Hi guys, welcome back to another video. First of all, I'd like to apologize for not posting any content for a while now. But you know, it's your girl Shornie, aka Shornie, and this week's video is basically going to give you some information of how I do my DIY leave-in moisturizer. It is amazing, guys. I know that a lot of you are not aware of these ingredients that I'm going to use, but our guest of honor today is going to be the Cacti prickly pear, so definitely have to check it out. So yes guys, as I was saying before, so I have not posted any content for for a while now, and I definitely want to apologize to all my subscribers. I appreciate all of you. I'm a teacher full-time, so that has been one of the reasons why I have not been posting. I was preparing for my online classes, but I'm definitely back into the swing of things. So first things first, guys, you have to wash your aloe vera. I always try to wash my aloe vera before I slice it into the smaller chunks. I don't want to get any dirt or anything into my hair, so yes, slicing them into smaller chunks, it makes it easier to gut out the jelly. So you want to ensure that you get that done smoothly. So look at that. Yes. So now we're moving on to cutting up our cactus prickly pear, and I know a lot of you might not know this, but this grows wildly in Jamaica, especially near Hellshire. So what I've done, I normally just scrub it to get rid of the pricklies, and then I cut it diagonally and then cut them into smaller pieces. Really easy, guys. It's basically not hard to go through. As you see, it just easily goes through. And plus the knife is sharp, so you don't have anything to worry about with this particular plant. And what I've learned about it is that it can be eaten as well. Other persons use it or add it to their veggies, so you can definitely try it. So the next thing that I do, I blend the aloe vera gel well. So I do that first, and then I move to the cactus prickly pear. So just add all of that gel into the blender, and you want to add just a small cup of water, a little bit of water in that, yeah, and then you just blend good. And then I use my stocking foot to strain. Yeah, cheap and clean stocking foot, and you're good to go. You squeeze all of that good stuff out, all of it out. Yes, good stuff. Then we move to our cactus prickly pear. We already cut them into smaller pieces, so now we are going to blend them. Blending time. So add all of it. You want to just add all of it into it. One thing, one go. You're done with that, and you just put everything together. So blend that. Yeah. I wanted to put it in my mouth too, to see how it would taste, but I was not brave enough, guys, so I just went ahead to just blend it up. Yes. So there you go. Add them all to your blender and add a little toops of water like we did with the aloe vera, and blend well. Blend the heart out of this thing. Blend it well, guys. So after that has blended well, you want to ensure that it is smooth. So we blend Yeah, I always like hearing the sound of that. I know you can't hear it, but I enjoy the sound of that. So I blend as long as I can to ensure that it's smooth. And then move to the straining process again. Yes. So the same way I strain the aloe vera is the same way I strain the cactus prickly pear. I just dunk everything down in the stocking. Make sure I get everything down into that. Yes, don't want to waste nothing. And then I just squeeze until all the good stuff is out. Yeah, it's not as thick as I expected it to be, but it can definitely work. Yeah. So now that we've finished making everything that we need to prepare for our DIY moisturizer, and this moisturizer can be used in the morning or at night. So I'll be using this moisturizer for the next 6 weeks. I'm going to use it 3 days per week. So I have my aloe vera gel and my cacti water. I also have rosemary essential oil and my favorite lavender essential oil. And you don't know, I need my little strainer funnel. So I'm going to be starting by pouring my cactus prickly pear water. And some persons might choose to use distilled water by itself, but I just wanted to add some more richness, some more swagger in my moisturizer. So I decided to use the prickly pear water, and it has a lot of benefits. A lot of persons use it in their hair. It's very good. If you know, traditionally or grandmothers and women before us, they normally use this to wash their hair. Remember, you see them cut up the tuna and steam them hair with it. Same thing you're doing. It's just that you're this into your moisturizing routine, and I think it's gonna really help my hair because I've been using the rice water for a while, but I kind of just want to switch things up. So I'm going to be trying this moisturizing this do-it-yourself moisturizer, daily moisturizer. All right, so after we add our cactus prickly pear water, we're going to be putting in our aloe vera gel. And guys, you don't know how valuable the aloe vera is to your hair. It makes it smooth, it makes it soft. It's basically my personal superhero. You know your girl loves the aloe vera because I always steam my hair with the aloe vera. You can definitely check out that particular video. I'll be adding it or showing it at the top. And next, I'm going to be adding my aloe vera oil. Yes, girls and guys, I have my aloe vera oil from my Netty'zKnotz hair and personal care business. Yeah, the lip them turn up nice. So I'm adding that oil to it, and I just want to basically sealing the moisture and the nutrients that I'm going to be getting from my aloe vera gel and my prickly pear water. I don't want to leave out anything in my moisturizer. I want to seal in that moisture. Yes, seal in the moisture for my low porosity here. Ooh, ooh. So if you're watching and you already own your own bottle of aloe vera gel, and you know we call it AGGO, it's AGGO work, you're going to use half of the bottle, because I know guys don't finish it because you need to put it on your scalp sometimes, you see me. So I'm using half of mine, and that would be enough. And after I have added my AGGO oil to my DIY moisturizer, I'm going to be adding the good stuff. My essential oils from Earth Elements, love them to death. Guys, you can add them to any DIY hair product you make. It keeps it from going rancid, and it also adds so many other benefits. It's good for hair growth, both of them actually, rosemary and lavender. So I'm going to be adding like 4 drops of each of the essential oils in my DIY moisturizer. I love my essential oils, and they make my hair smell really nice, so I definitely have to add them. So 4 drops of rosemary and 4 drops of lavender oil. If you feel like you want to add 5, go ahead, or 6, go ahead. You know your hair, so basically add the oils based on how your hair will react to that. After you've added all of that, you're going to definitely shake up everything, mix up everything together to ensure that everything is fused into one, and we're done. So we're finished. So yes, here it is. So I'm going to be using this into my hair for 6 weeks. I'm going to be remaking it. I'm going to be remaking it as it finishes. So I'm going to be using it for 6 weeks straight. So I will be updating you guys on how it works out for my hair. So we used tuna, prickly pear, we used aloe vera or aloe vera gel, we used our AGGO oil from Netty'zKnotz, we used our essential oils from earth elements, both lavender and rosemary, and that's about it. Give it a good shake and apply to the hair as needed before you do your twist or your big plaits, and you're good to go, whether morning or night. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely tell me in the comments what you are using for your morning or your night routine. Drop it down in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.